My name is Goran Jovanovic, and I'm so glad you are here. Wow, you wrote some very ordinary stuff, actually. It's really important for the industry to have standards for screenwriting, because there are a lot of things in screenplays that simply shouldn't be there, or if they are in there, then perhaps you're not formatting them correctly. And so when the reader reads your script, they become lost, or they might look at it and think, wow, you don't really know what you're doing. A director's job is to interpret your screenplay. Your job is not to direct the director to the elements within your screenplay. Your job is simply to tell the story so the director can visualize it in their minds. We don't explain anything in the script, as in what someone is thinking. What we do is it's all about show and tell. So the person is speaking in dialogue, or we're showing visuals, or we're setting the mood with some kind of lighting or the time of the day or props. It could be any of that. We don't have the privilege, in a way, to explain things to the reader. If everyone was doing the same thing, there would be no show. There would be no ticket sales. Anyway, the point is that everyone has their voice, their unique voice, and please don't be afraid of that. Use it to your advantage. There are so many, online streaming services out there, and they're all after content, but they don't all want the same content. Whatever you're here for, I'm here to help you.